In this video, we are going to show you how to properly make an alarm system or an alarm clock using Python. Why are we making that? Because there is no proper tutorial on YouTube yet. I couldn't find one. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an actual alarm clock that will play the ridiculous sound or tone for the alarm. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. For making this project, we need Python and a code editor. I'm using PyCharm here. Start it up, click on new project and name the project alarm. Click on create. First, we need time for this project. Where do we get time in Python? From the date and time module. So go ahead and import it. Now we will ask the user when he wants the alarm to ring. We will print a statement when the program is activated. We will say set alarm at. Here we will need three inputs from the user. First one being the hour, in which hour the alarm will be triggered. Same for the minute. At last, we need to know whether the alarm is set for day or night by using AM and PM. Let's define a variable named alarm hour, which will contain the input of the alarm's hour. Right, integer input, then in the bracket give parentheses and write hour colon. We said integer because we need it in number. Now copy, then paste, change hour to minute, then under it write AM, PM, write string input, then in the bracket give parenthesis and write AM slash PM colon. Then give a space. String is used in this input function because it will only input words. Now we need to filter something. See, the date and time module uses 24-hour format to know the current time, but we are used to 12-hour format. So in order to filter that, we will give a condition that when AM PM variable is PM, then alarm hour will be 12 hours more than that. How will it work? Let's guess the user needs the alarm in 2 p.m., which is the 14th hour of the day. So when he writes PM, the program will know that he said 14th hour. Simple. Now run a while loop saying while true, give a condition saying if alarm hour double equals uh, datetime dot datetime dot now dot hour and alarm minute is double equals to datetime dot datetime dot now dot dot minute, then print wake up. So this is the basic alarm system that most beginners are learned with. Now run it. The current time is 1:38 a.m. I know it's at night. I'm working at night because you guys didn't subscribe. So my boss won't let me sleep. So please hit the subscribe button to help me sleep. And AM PM AM, hit enter. Okay, it worked. Now we need to set a sound or tone for this alarm. We have two types of method for the sound slash tone. First one being the speaking clock, which will speak anything that you say. In order to make it, we need another module named ITTSX3. So go ahead and install and then import it. So if you are a regular viewer of the channel, you know we already made an AI using Python, which is too OP than this, and we have an speak function already made. So I'm going to copy that from here and paste it right here. Now change the print function to speak function. Run it. Current time is 1:41. I will set 1:41, 42, 42, and AM PM AM. Hit enter to set the alarm. Okay, we have only 10 seconds left for the alarm to be triggered.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
So we heard the program saying wake up, but most modern phones won't come with this feature. So we are going to use the second method and actual music. I'm going to clean the speak function code. We need a module to play music. The module name is OS or Open System. So import it. After the condition, write a variable music. I have a music perfect for breaking sleep right in the right in this folder. We will copy the file path and paste it in the variable. Then give another backslash before every directory because Python uses double backslash for directories. Define another variable tone which will have the list of directories from our music variable. Write os dot list dir and in the bracket write music. Now for playing the music, write another line of code os dot start file and in the bracket write os dot path dot join and in the bracket write music comma tone. Give a second bracket after tone and write 0, which will play the first and the only music in this folder. In the last write break function. We need this because as we saw from the previous version, print and speak function continuously wrote and spoke wake up like 1,000 times. So now as we are going to play the sound, our music app will be opening continuously 1,000 times, which will hang the computer. So we need the break function for stopping it from happening. Now run it. It's 49. I am setting the alarm at 150. Okay, it worked. Now that's how you can make your own alarm using Python. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a like and also subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell. And also follow us on Instagram if you want something to be made but you can't figuring out. You can discuss it as in Instagram. And we hope to see you guys in the next one.